Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Snapchat if you've forgotten your password. So to log in into your Snapchat account, if you've forgotten your password, first thing first, update your application and open up your Snapchat account. If you've forgotten your password on your Snapchat, then you can simply reset it with the help of your contact information. Make sure that you know your credential. So for that, you need to just go ahead and tap on the account that you wish to log in and enter in your username or an email address. If you've forgotten your password, then tap the forgot button, and here you need to select the way to reset your password. So select the method, and after you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to provide in the contact details. So in my case, I've selected the email, so I have to provide in the email address associated with my Snapchat account. Click on the submit button. After you tap the submit button, it's going to send you a verification email. So all you have to do is just go ahead and open up your Gmail. As you can see, in my case, I've already received the verification code or the link. So here you need to tap the particular link, and as soon as you tap the link, it's going to allow you to set a new password. So type in the new password, and for the confirmation you need to type in twice and tap the save button. Type in your username or an email address and your password that you've recently updated, and click the login button, and after that you'll be logged into your account successfully. In this way, you can log in into your Snapchat account if you've forgotten your password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.